Good morning. Thank you very much.
She's been saying hi to you all morning.
Yeah, but I feel like saying hi to her on ear.
All right, this one is on the
First
front
one is
page.
good news. National minimum wage will be increased by roughly 13% as of Emancipation Day, which is August 1. That announcement was made in the House of Representatives yesterday. Minimum wage moving from $6,000 to $6,200 to $7,000 per week. It was last increased by the previous government. Minimum wage for industrial security guards increased by 9.6%, also effective August 1. That works out to be $242.50 per hour. There you go.
Minimum wage.
Good news.
All right.
When you're going to get more money in your pocket, that's good news.
It's always good news.
Yeah, what's
but
the next
minimum
one?
wage really is minimum in this country compared to others. I can tell you that much. And that leads us to the next hot topic where fewer Jamaicans want to immigrate. But more than 80% would leave. And that is sad. This is a Decoding Global Talent poll that was released on June 25, showing that 80 and 90% of Jamaicans would move to another country if they got the chance. But also higher by global standards, that number was even higher in 2014, when between 90 to 10%,
90 to 100.
90 to 100% of the respondents said that they would work abroad. The latest result shows Jamaicans to be among the most eager to work abroad, ranking it with other countries such as Algeria, Benin, Cameroon, Colombia, Ghana, Iran, Kenya, Luxembourg, Nigeria, Norway, and South Korea. The only other country on the list to see a decline in the number who would want to immigrate was Iran. Jamaicans also lead the Caribbean for the percentage of people who would like to work abroad, as I said, who would like to move to Canada. Canada, look out, the Jamaicans are on their way. Jamaica heads a list of countries whose nationals identified the U.S. as well as a place they would most willing to move to. Interesting. So we're still ready to go to America every minute. And Jamaica came out on top of the list for countries whose nationals would like to work in the UK. So Canada, America, and the UK are the top countries for Jamaicans who want to get out ASAP. Sample size of the survey was 366,139 people. That's actually a very large sample. That's a large sample.
Yep. Another one, the third one, a judge in California ordered U.S. border authorities to reunite separated families within 30 days. This story has been going around for a while, that they took the kids away from the parents. It says if children are younger than 5, they must be reunified within 2 weeks of the order, and that order was issued yesterday. It's U.S. District Judge Dana Sabraw in San Diego. Everyone was up in arms with the president and says, well, you can't mash up the family.
But the good thing is that, amid the international outcry, the president of the United States, President Donald Trump, was last week, the executive order to stop the separation of families. And he did say that the parents and children will instead be detained together. So far, however, of course, as we know, few families were reunited. But yeah, let's give it up for Trump. He did call the executive order. So let's not say he didn't. All right.
Yeah.
But Trump is something else.
Yep.
It's here or it's there.
Yep.
It's here or it's there.
All right, the fourth one has everything to do with World Cup football. I think we're going to see something here that you could follow. So they kind of tell you who is in and who is out. Egypt left the group, Morocco left the group, Tunisia left the group, Poland left the group, Germany, Brazil, Portugal, Spain, France,
Did
England,
it say Nigeria
Belgium.
added Argentina? That's all I just...
Yeah. Argentina left the group.
And then Nigeria added them back.
Yeah, Nigeria added Argentina. So Nigeria left the group. Argentina is still there. World Cup meme, it says. Interesting times and big games on today. Because even in our region, Mexico, they've won the first 2 games. Mexico might not make it. It is possible if Sweden beats them 2-0 and Germany wins against South Korea, which is expected. Mexico won't make it, even though in the group. They're the only team to have won the first 2 games. I hope they do because they're from our region and they're also a pretty decent team.
What score are they on now?
Well, they lead the group as long as they're not.
As long as you lead the group, but let me ask you, when it boils down, the points are important. Like you see some teams,
Yeah,
I
because
think
there are 8
Uruguay
groups,
is on
8
9.
groups of 4, and at the end of the 3 games, 16 teams will go, 16 teams will go home.
And how do you match?
So, well, they've said
plays?
before, so they will say something like the winner of Group A
Will play group-
second place in Group B, and second place in Group A will play the winner of Group B. So all that's done before the World Cup even starts, so you could map it out. Some people have already decided that they can map it all the way to the final, but that probably has changed a lot because, again, everyone thought that Germany would never lose to Mexico. They did. No one thought that Brazil would tie their first game. They did. No one thought that Argentina would scrape through. They did. So it's probably a little bit different than what people thought it would be at the start of the World Cup.
Well, let me ask you, where's England? Because I know we need to support our Jamaican.
England in a good spot.
I'm just saying because of the Jamaican, right?
Yeah, they should go through quite easily.
They'll go through. Who are they playing next? Where are we?
England.
So England looks good.
Yeah, but we can't remember now. Yeah, too much question.
But you see, I will have to ask, who else am I going to go to? You are my
Belgium,
go-to.
England and Belgium. And the
will
winner
play.
there would win the zone.
Okay.
And sometimes you want to win the zone because you get for want of a better word, a lesser team in the second round. But again, because of the foolishness, Germany could end up second. Everyone thought they probably would end up first.
And I don't hear you all on the on my TVJ show when you have your sports talk time talking about my Nigerian or my Senegalese team. So now we're back to Senegal. Tell me
Good team.
that Senegal is going to win the World Cup.
To win the World Cup.
If they do that, I'm moving. I'm following these people who want to fly out.
If they do that,
I'm moving to Senegal.
No, if they do that, I would come with you.
You coming?
Yeah.
We're both going to Senegal.
We
Did
are
you all
both
hear
going.
that?
Yeah.
If Senegal wins the World Cup, and I know you're all looking at me like, yeah, right. Whatever, Prince over here.
No, anything is possible.
Anything is possible. I'm hopeful.
It's unlikely, but everything is